Dos, y un, dos, tres, y... Bueno, sí.
Covering over 125 hectares and comprising more than 15,000 trees, El Retiro Park, recently named a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a green oasis in the heart of the city. In it, you will find all kinds of interesting monuments and gardens. In addition to its role as one of the city's green lungs, it is also a popular spot among the local population who like to go there for a stroll, to do some sport, visit an exhibition, or take the kids to a puppet show. El Retiro is one of the largest parks of the city of Madrid. The park belonged to the Spanish monarchy until 1868, when it became a public park.
Se están arrollando, la banda está en candela ya, todo el mundo está bailando, ven, ven, mi gente, vamos a gozar, muévense con mi ritmo, un paso para adelante y un paso para atrás, muévense con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Sí, escucha la salsa que te traigo ahora, ahí en Nueva York, a La Habana, donde quiera.
The monument to Alfonso XII is located in the park. The monument is situated on the east edge of an artificial lake near the center of the park.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could.
In 1902, a national contest was held to design a monument for King Alfonso XII at the initiative of the Queen Mother Maria Cristina of Austria. The winner was the architect José Gracias Reina, whose design consisted of a grand colonnade alongside a pond in El Retiro, with several sculptures surrounding an equestrian statue of the king, with everything constructed in bronze and marble.
I saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't.
More than 20 sculptors worked on the project. The monument, financed by a popular collection, was inaugurated on June 6, 1922.
Written in stone. Let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could.
The monument is 30 meters high, 86 meters long and 58 meters wide. At its center is the equestrian statue of King Alfonso XII, cast in bronze.
I wish